Welcome to the lesson. Check the description box below in your YouTube player for tabs and backing tracks on my website, information about the sound tools I'm using today, and links to other goodies via my Patreon page. Continuing. To begin, we got it's a C sharp minor. You're going to hit that open E up there. Little octaves there of a F sharp note. 4 and 9, and land just flat on those 2s for that F sharp minor in that position. And yeah, I'm not hitting that middle one there. So you have. Hey, by the way, there's slow down gears in YouTube. Down here, up here on a tablet, spacebar pauses, arrows go forward and back by 5-second intervals. Great way to work with stuff. And then I do the classic Mayfield. So off of that F sharp minor, hammer on, pull off, out of, that's a minor pentatonic fill. Hendrix does it too. And then, yeah, I think you can see that. 2, 5, off, 2, 4, back around. That time I'll hit the E there with normal style. And there we have that F sharp minor 9, 2, 2, 4. I might get that root note there, that 4. Then we just come around again. This time I do the Hendrix fill. I did that in another video that I shot today. It's Little Wing. It's a stretch though, because you gotta be flat on the 2s and get that pinky all the way out to 6. And again, notice, yeah, you would never be able to do it with this hand angle. It has to be, when you got a tough stretch, you got to flatten out and come from underneath. This is awesome for most of the time, but when you got a tough stretch, you got to straighten out. And yeah. And then, yeah, I hit another C sharp minor 7, just a different version. 4, 4, 5. And then I'm just going to go cop the melody up here in Bluestown, USA. So this is C sharp minor pentatonic. So yeah, we're just up there at the 11. Bend it, bring it down. And then, yeah, these are all just blues licks at this point. I am being very articulate though, you can see. So you got. And I might tag a quick little, that's an F sharp, that's our F sharp, that's our 4 chord, or F sharp minor, 9, 7, and then it's almost the same thing, but you can see there, yeah, it's a little bit different, and then, yeah, 9, 11, and then 9, 9, spread out there. 7, 6, which is ultimately an F sharp minor. So it's really 2 chords so far. And then there's another chord that's going to happen. So now I'm down here in this position of C sharp minor blues, sliding into 6, 5, and now bending on this 7. And there, yeah, here's our G sharp minor 7 that's coming at us. Yeah, that's right. 6, 4, 4. And then just back it down to F sharp minor 7. Some kind of fill back into it. I may go, it depends on which take is the best take that you just saw. I do, just so you know, if it makes you feel better, everything you see me play on YouTube is at least 8 takes. You know, so yeah, practice makes more closer to perfect. You never get all the way there though. Okay. Does that whole thing again. Oh yeah, and then we got the Pardon Me Brother part, which is basically the same as the opening, but a little bit different. That's the same as the opening, and instead though I go little slightly different fill there out of that F sharp minor pentatonic. Little 4 going up to 5 and back down, and then that's the same as the beginning. Yeah, same as the beginning. Same as the beginning. Same as the beginning, same as it ever was. And then, I don't know why I'm like squeaking and slipping around this chair. Let me just check that all my devices are still capturing sound. Computers don't always work, by the way. Yeah, look, we got that back there, this over here, this, yeah. YouTube life, yo. Okay. It's working though. So it's interesting, I'm going to come in with something that I would never tell people to do, but I know where I'm going, so it has to be this way. It's, again, a C sharp minor, but I'm going to do it with index finger and middle finger, which is kind of, this is Andy Summers from Police, who I like a lot. So I can get all those notes. So it comes in, you get that 6 there on the G, then you get that 8 on the G, and that open E up there to make it trippy. There's an F sharp minor again. So yeah, that is 7, 6, 7. Little melody note up on top, that G sharp, that 9th fret. And then slide forward from that 6 to the 9. By the way, pro tip, plumber's tape to keep your bar in place. You just wrap a little bit around there, and then your strap bar won't wiggle around. It'll just stay where you want. And once it wears down, you just pull it off and put on new stuff. Shout out to my boy Daniel Fields, who reminded me of this. Like, it was like, duh. It's a really good tip for strap players. Anyway. And then it just all does that like all again. And then just a little, and then you're into the breakdown. There you go. Curtis Mayfield is one of my all-time favorite songwriters, singers. So soulful, so thoughtful, so smart, so cool. He's just the coolest. Previously, I think years ago, I had done something from the Superfly soundtrack, which is one of my favorite records. And this is also the self-titled Curtis record, where he's got the awesome yellow suit on the cover. Great song, just a great song, and full of interesting things to think about. And also, the other thing about it, his vocals, so good. Transposing them over to guitar, hard to do. His timing and inflection is just his own thing. So I did push things around a good bit to make it work for guitar. It does sound nice. The main thing, of course, is to take things slow, digesting each little brilliant little Curtis Mayfield melodic harmonic nugget before you go on to the next one, and so on and so forth. It's really, those of you who follow my channel, first of all, thank you, really. That's my thing, man. I'm a zealot about going slow and just like being at peace with that. Good luck.